Hi, this is Casey Corum again, and we're going to be talking about the live in studio version of Cherry Blossoms that has some of these gospel changes to them, so gospel flavored. So we're in the key of C, but I'm going to still be playing G shapes. So to get to the key of C and stay in G shapes, we were at the key of B flat, which is capo 3. Key of C with G shapes would be capo 5. So, and some of those same chords are living with us again. That kind of like open G that lets me move my fingers around. That A string is still muted. Ring finger on the bass note there, and then open, 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 and 3rd fret again on your pinky finger there on the high E strings. And I'm going to play F over C instead of the C sus. C sus would be something simple like that, just adding the 4 instead of the 3. But I'm going to add this on the G string, the D string, 2nd fret. Similar chord, but I think it feels a little more genre appropriate. So that's the turnaround. And then verse 1, it pedal tones the bass note, which that means you just basically sit on one note while the chords move around on top of it. The only break from that are the last 2 chords of the verses move to the 5 and then to the 2. So in the case of this, it'd be to a G and a D minor. On the guitar here, it's going to be a D, which I was playing D add 4, which is that C shape up 2 frets, and the A minor. So that's the 5 and the 2. Yeah. So let's attempt the verse. To play that B flat over C, I'm just basically moving my. It's not quite correct, but it's how I'm getting there. So if you have a better way there, then hey, do it. It's basically just getting that flat 7 over 1 thing. And then back to the F over C, B flat over C. It's kind of. I just leave it like that just because it's just for economy of movement. So I feel the warm wind blowing, melting all the sadness off of my soul, and I smell sweet cherry blossoms pouring all the gladness into my soul. I love that minor 2 there because it really pushes it towards that more gospel edge. And then the chorus is somewhat standard until we get to the ends of each line. So you got, in winter, I believe you. In springtime, I see you. 1 over 3, C over E. So good to be with you. My hope has come. Okay, let's work through that real quick. To get to that D7 over F sharp, I would probably lose the bass note just to actually get that 7 in there without like turning your fingers into twisted XLR chords, and just play in this version a D7 or given that we're capo 5 and playing in G, an A7, not an A minor 7, an A dominant 7. That'll give you that gospel pull on your ear by getting that 7 in there. So in winter, I believe you. In springtime, I see you. It's so good to be with you. And then F over G is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th fret, and you just bar it. You can go all the way if you want and get that extra 9 or whatever that is in there. Gives you that major chord, but then that other bass note. So In winter, I believe you. In springtime, I see you. It's so good to be with you. My hope has come. Yeah. So that's the chorus. In winter, I believe you. In springtime, I see you. It's so good to be with you. My hope has come. Lord, you make all things new. Your love is my breakthrough. Now I sing hallelujah. My hope has come. Yeah, chorus. Turnaround is the same as the top. Let's see the bridge. Bridge is the same. Bridge is the same as the previous version. I'm not gonna give in to this mortal frustration, and I'm not gonna give death any standing ovation. I will live my soul, God, with no hesitation, 'cause between you and me there is no separation. Now there is a difference between the two solo sections. The previous version, the studio version, had a 4, 1, 5. This version is living in more of the bridge progression. So it kind of walks up, walks down, no separation, just walking, 4 down to the 2. I believe you. Just kind of does a false build where it doesn't give you that land on the one. In winter, I believe you. In springtime, I see you. It's so good to be with you. My hope has come. Lord, you make all things new. Your love is my breakthrough. Now I sing hallelujah. My hope has come. Yes, then we tag it. That's the end of the tune. Now I sing hallelujah. My hope has come. Oh, okay, got it. It's the 6. I'm lost in a capo translation here. Now I sing hallelujah. My hope has come. Now I sing hallelujah. Extra bar. My hope has come. And then the outro is just a touch different, just to make it even more complicated. That gets us to this kind of alternative chorus, which is fun. I tend to add this to the other version too, because it's become kind of a fun part, extra part, and it also turns it more corporate, away from that I sing to we sing. It's a nice little shift in the room. So you kind of got this outro 2, 4, 1 over 3. We sing hallelujah, our hope has come. 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 A little high for me this morning, but you get the idea. So that's a nice little additional piece. It's kind of referencing the chorus, but it plays with the form a little bit. And that's the live in studio gospel flavored version. So yeah, Cherry Blossoms. Love this song. Hope you do too.